How Alan Turing Changed the World. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the life and impact of a remarkable individual whose work revolutionized the world of computing and helped shape the course of history, Alan Turing. Introduction to Alan Turing. Alan Turing was a brilliant mathematician, logician, and computer scientist who lived from 1912 to 1954. He is often regarded as the father of modern computer science and artificial intelligence. Breaking the Enigma code. During World War II, Turing played a crucial role in breaking the German Enigma code, a feat that is believed to have shortened the war by several years and saved countless lives. His work at Bletchley Park, England, helped Allied forces decipher encrypted messages, giving them a significant strategic advantage. Turing machine. Turing introduced the concept of the Turing machine, a theoretical device that laid the foundation for modern computers. This concept, outlined in his seminal paper on computable numbers, provided a blueprint for how computers could manipulate symbols based on a set of rules. Artificial intelligence (AI), Turing was one of the first to ponder the idea of machines that could think. His Turing test, proposed in 1950, is a benchmark for evaluating a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior indistinguishable from that of a human. Legacy and impact. Alan Turing's contributions to computing and code breaking have had a lasting impact on our world. His work not only helped win the war, but also paved the way for the digital age, shaping the development of modern computers and artificial intelligence. Conclusion. Alan Turing's life and work are a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the impact that one individual can have on the course of history. His legacy continues to inspire generations of scientists, engineers, and innovators around the world. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on influential figures and historical events. Until next time, take care.